Today, we are going to be in talks with a Batch 14 intern who had been learning about digital marketing on his own for the past year. Then he joined DDIP to learn even more about digital marketing and was able to secure a job offer before he could complete his journey. So, without further ado, let's get into the conversation. Hi guys, this is Jasmine Valia from Team Learn Today, and in today's video we're going to interact with our very own Batch 14 intern, Mr. Vignesh. It's his birthday today, so give a shout out in the comment section saying happy birthday, Vignesh. Hi Vignesh, how are you doing today?
Yeah, I'm fine. Thank you for asking.
Great. So first of all, I want to say happy birthday to you. And the first question that I would like to start off is what made you join DDIP?
So I was been into the domain of digital marketing for past 2 years, and been more interested to learn new things. And previously, I had done a course in Trivandrum. I am basically from Kerala, and
Mm-hmm.
the capital city Trivandrum, and we I had done a course here, but I
Mm-hmm.
was not satisfied with that. The content, the structure was not suited for me. I was only able to write bloggings and things. I just want to learn more about like Facebook ads, Google ads. I want to explore other things like mail marketing
Right.
and automation and so on. So for the past 1 year, I've been following DDI. I mean, Deepak sir. I used to get his mail when I registered for his 100-day lead generation course. I actually bought it for a nine. I actually bought it last year around. If my guess was right, it was around September 2020, and it was fantastic. That drip sequence was really fascinating for me, and that's where a mail came to me,
Mm-hmm.
uh, like with the subject line, "Vignesh, are you selfish?" And I feel like he's is just talking to me directly. I don't feel that he's is sending to too many people,
Mm-hmm.
including me. I just feel like he's just personalizing the message to me. That's
Mm-hmm.
where I got oh, he's asking me, and he's triggering my emotion, my ego. So I would like to explore what he's offering, and then I joined his Facebook group that learned digital marketing, something like that, and I was following that page. I mean that group. And in that it mentioned that there are some cashbacks and so on, and I was actually doubtful. How can a person offer cashback, full cashback uh, for the course? I mean, it's not fair, right? We
Yeah.
run course, we provide education for a price. So how can you offer it for free? So I thought, why not I give it a try? And again, I got a mail on April 2021, and still I was being doubtful whether this would work out or work out. During that time, I was having a temporary job as a digital marketer, but I was not able to. Uh, I mean, I was not able to raise up my career due to
Mm-hmm.
the lack of knowledge in other domains. So, and due to the second wave, I was. I mean, I lost the job actually. I lost the job, and then I thought, instead of sitting idle, I should give it a try. It's only something I can afford. So I just joined the course, and
Here you
it just blew my mind.
I'm so happy. So you mentioned that you were not exactly a beginner when you joined the course, right?
Yes.
So would you say that I mean the course was meant for you as well? I mean, we know that it's meant for beginners, but would you say that you as an amateur, I would say that you already had some knowledge about digital marketing since you were working in the field for 2 years. So would you say that you learned a lot, or was it rather that you knew these things but it was just refined a little bit more?
No, I would say that even though I know a little more about digital marketing, this course really helped me. I was able to explore all other things like automation. Like my personal favorite week was the lead generation.
Oh.
Deepak sir nearly uh, spoon feeded you how to enter the market. He just pushed you out of the comfort zone, which we as a person or as a marketer need in today's circumstances.
Absolutely. I agree. So, what are you doing currently?
So it's it even it was a surprise for me. I don't know whether I would be able to talk and with so many individuals. I just nearly uh, cold mail many entrepreneurs, and I got some replies. And right now I got a reply from Rank Math is your plugin, and then there was a mobile app which is in my field. I'm also a yoga instructor, so and they offer a good package, I think. But I'm not looking for a full-time job. I just submitted an assignment just to evaluate, and they told me they will get back to me within 2 days.
Mhm.
It happened recently, just 2 days before only I have submitted the assignment. So I was able. I'm happy because I'm able to do these many things just
Right.
just because I joined the course.
Awesome. So, I
So
mean, tell us your journey with Rank Math and these yoga, yoga company that you're talking about. How were you able to approach them and, just go through the process? Was it during the DDIP program or was it after you completed?
it's only during the DDIP program. The DDIP only helped me this much.
Awesome. Love that. I love that. So let's talk a little bit about, your journey in these 3 months. What were your
Yeah,
thoughts before you joined DDIP, and when you joined DDIP, how was it any different than what you were thinking?
just one word. Before DDIP, I was doubtful, and after DDIP, I was blown out.
How? Just explain a little bit. How were you blown away?
Okay, first I will talk about the doubtful part. The doubts about the cashbacks were. I mean, it's not the. I'm not the only person who is doubtful. In fact, many other interns were. When I searched in our group, Learn Today, they they have written a beautiful review about it.
Yes. There,
And
there are.
talking about yeah,
Please.
yeah, yeah, and talking about the amazing part, like I was able to interact with all other interns. We nearly had around 500, right? More than
Yes.
500 in our
Yes.
group.
Yes.
So it's
That's
a
right.
new experience for me. At a time we are interacting with so many persons, and we were able to mingle with each other, go- gain some good friends. Just spreading the not only for the course, Deepak sir nearly helped us to get a positive energy and positive environment also.
I agree. I agree. Absolutely. So, did you try any other courses or training programs before you joined DDIP?
Uh, Not really. I used to attend the workshop, but I was not satisfied at that time. Like I
Mm-hmm.
used to attend the workshop for landing page creation,
Mm-hmm.
email marketing, affiliate
Right.
marketing, and so on. But they don't seem genuine at the first for me, at least for me. I'm talking in my perspective. Don't
Mm-hmm.
know about others.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so what would you say was different between those workshops and the Q&A sessions that we have every week for each assignments?
Okay, uh, those workshops are mainly meant for selling. The
Mm-hmm.
Q&A sessions are mainly intended for helping people who lack the knowledge.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
Great. So, would you say the cashback system and the deadline systems motivated you to complete your assignments and implement your knowledge, in real life?
truly, it's. I mean, absolutely. Yeah, the cashback was a motivation for us mostly. Like I asked money from my mother actually, and she won't say anything to me. Uh, she just she pampers me a lot. So I had to be accountable with her.
Mm-hmm.
I have to be accountable. So it's also a kind of motivation for me to earn the cashback, and DDAP was fantastic for helping me in this. issue.
Great, good. And I mean, I just want to know, what are your key takeaways from your journey? Some things that you will remember after, obviously, you have led a successful life a few months later. How will you remember DDIP?
That's a little bit hard part, but still I would say that it empowers us a lot in our career. Like if you want a job, you will definitely get a job. If you want to start a freelancing, you can do that with no worries. Or else you can, if you are interested in affiliate marketing, it's your choice. Yeah.
So you will,
Basically, it's an all-in-one package. It's an all-in-one package which helps you in understanding different streams of digital marketing, where you have to master one thing and focus. So I personally focused on content writing and a bit of lead generation.
right.
That's my favorite domain in digital marketing.
And that's what you're pursuing currently also, right? Content writing
Right,
and
right,
generation.
right.
Awesome. So my last question, Vignesh, to you is, for someone watching this particular interview with you, a potential intern, maybe, looking for answers if DDIP is actually worth it. What would you say to them?
Definitely worth. With no doubt, I can say it. There's no question regarding that.
Wonderful.
If you follow at least for 1 month, if you follow Deepak Sir's mail for at least 1 month, the trust factor will gain automatically.
Absolutely. Awesome. Great. Thank you so much, birthday boy, for taking this interview with me, taking time out of your birthday, and having this wonderful conversation with me. I hope our audience learns a lot about DDIP and gets inspired from your journey. So thank you so much.
Thank you. And thank you for giving me an opportunity.
Absolutely. Thank you, Vignesh, for sharing your wonderful journey with all of us and envisioning your trust in the Digital Deepak internship program. You can go ahead and register for the latest batch of the DDIP program and experience this transformative journey for yourself. I will be coming up with a lot more videos with so many other interns about their journeys. And you can go ahead and subscribe to the Digital Deepak channel to get more knowledge about digital marketing from Team Learn Today.